What is it? It's about 9 o'clock. Today, my family is coming over to eat, barbecue, and all that good stuff. Actually, it's my first family event in my house. My own house. Yay! So I'm super excited about that. Right now, as y'all can see, I did some mini twists on my hair. Probably a few days ago. So I'm about to refresh the ends real quick. And then afterwards, slowly get ready since it's only 9 o'clock and they're coming at noon. And my house is pretty clean because I cleaned last night. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do this morning. I guess y'all can watch me refresh these. And I did not record me doing these mini twists. If y'all want a video, let me know. But to be honest, I'll probably take these twists down in a few days. So I'm gonna just use some water and this Mielle Cool sculpturing custard for my ends. I was gonna use the twist, the definition thing, whatever, but I don't think it's gonna work. I just really need it for my ends because they a little straggly. And I really don't know how to style these. I've been doing half up, half down styles the whole time I've been having these in. It's been cute, but I feel like I would keep them longer if I knew how to style these little twists. So I'm just take the sections, like small sections, so I don't want to mess up my twists. I did not clip anything. That's how y'all do it. Y'all thought I clipped this section, y'all didn't clip nothing. Alright. So this week is my actual first weekly vlog. I said I'm gonna start doing those. I think I'll like those. My life, it ain't that interesting, but I feel like something always happening during my weeks. So I was like, well, let me start a weekly vlog. And then honestly, how many hair tutorials can I make? Like, I like doing my hair, but to be honest, I'll be doing the same style. So to get y'all a variety on this channel, it's like, let me incorporate weekly vlogs. Okay. Get the ends. See? That's much better. It's a little curl. But I want to go to 360 brunch. That's what it's called. 360. Here's my anti-social niece. Hey. You said what? Bye. Say hey to my YouTube.
Hello.
Dubai 2021 cinnamon sticks.
Not your car.
I know, right? Not your car at all. All mine. Break pie hot.
Okay.
That's not hot.
Yeah,
Exactly.
What's that?
Definitely cold, but
Yeah.
I say, you
That's how we
remember
do
me.
it.
Think about it. Break my heart. All the way, baby. It's looking good up in. That one might be warm.
No, it's not.
Not that one's so hard. This? No, all the way down on the other side of our room.
Oh, okay.
That's I know it up.
Okay.
So it might be
That have
warm.
links
Where I have
Okay.
black.
How about all the food over here?
Black and could be. Usually a rat shit by now been dried up. That if you got battery, you still got that battery. You think it's charged up? Got something in it?
Not better. Yeah, the. What's up there?
Probably did.
No, we charged. We put it on the charger.
Yeah, you took the top
So we think maybe a rat. Oh. It might be behind these boxes.
What's that?
Well, I just put these boxes behind here yesterday because I didn't want it on a patio.
Yeah, I mean sweet fur.
Yeah. In the trash can.
Why is it chewing on the box where I could have been stuck? Like sure.
Huh?
I could have been stuck on the box.
Like what? If it's chewing on it, it's probably not. Well, it looks like the box been moved.
Yeah, it's been moving. Let me go see. I'm trying to check in a minute. I just want to pick all this up before I.
They probably chewed on it and went in. I was like, ooh.
Nail.
Yeah, because that one I know was moved, but I don't know if it was like wind or.
Well, I figured if the
I
wind,
ain't touch it.
if the wind blow, was it up with the garage door up where any kind of wind came through?
It's not.
Yeah, it probably yeah, but something that come through. Well, something will come through probably. Like I said, I didn't think it was big enough. We didn't leave it big enough for no mouse or anything to come through.
Yeah.
Well, somebody chewing on that shit. I'm definitely chewing on it.
Is it sticky enough?
It's sticky.
I thought just put them boxes back there. Alright, so my mom actually gave me this stuff to put down for rats. I don't know what it's called. I think it's called bait bite, I believe. I'm supposed to put it down, little crumbs, and the mice or rat or whatever will come eat it, take it, they'll go try to find water or something, and then blow up. So apparently this is supposed to work. So I'm about to sprinkle some of this down and see what happens. All right, so pest control literally just came 5 minutes after I showed y'all those mouse traps. So he's out there spraying my lawn, and he's also gonna come inside and spray. So hopefully this works. Get these critters under control. Good morning, guys. so y'all can see I just took down my mini twist and look at the definition. Like, get into it. Look at this definition. I love it. But I'm actually about to close out this vlog because I do have a lot going on this weekend that I prefer to have in a separate vlog. So these vlogs are not too long. But let me know if you like longer vlogs, because I know me, depending on the YouTuber, I can handle a long vlog. If y'all don't like me like that, just let me know and I'll make them shorter. But yeah, if you have not already, go ahead and watch my Q&A video. It's like a little intro about me. I gave y'all some little tips on hair and house stuff. So go ahead and watch that if you haven't already. But I will see you guys later. Bye. And he's not dead. Oh my gosh.
So this
The bait bite, whatever.
that's what your mom gave you?
Yeah. Why are you dragging it?
Make sure he ain't got loose. If he get loose, you want him outside.
For him to come back in here?
I see the blue trap right now.
Huh?
I see the blue trap right now. So if he's stuck on the trap, the trap is stuck.
Go down. He's on there. Yeah, he's still on there. I seen his face.
He's been gone if he was loose. Hey, fella.
It's raining. It looked like he was trying to eat that stuff. Cause I put
Well, so that might have been what he was, I'm talking about eat the stuff that,
Cause I put the stuff in front of the trash.
where you put something on it. Is it just one?
Yeah, it's just one.
All right, you ready to say bye to him?
You gotta kill it.
Back up. It's blood
Yeah,
from the scalp.
I ain't gonna record that part. Animal abuse.
Oh, the fella.